what's the position of the handle of the fifth wheel relative to the wheels of the truck. The fifth wheel in the latch is in slot number 3. The handle is right here, not on the top of the wheel, of the tire. If this latch moves here, that handle most probably will come all the way here. But that is seldom being used, because if you put the fifth wheel in that position, it's going to load your steer. So that is the optimum position, number 3. Let us go back to the other truck, this truck, and we see the difference. This is a short day cab. In a short day cab, number 3 is right here. You just move it 2 slots and your handle is sitting on the wheel. Why is that? Because that is short. You watch very carefully. The end of the fifth wheel, that spot at the middle of the primary drive. Let's go to the other one and see the difference. The other one is a long nose day cab. The end is shifted from the difference from the center, maybe about 8 inches. Look at from here carefully, it is shifted backwards. That gives you a clearance for the handle when you are hooking to a trailer. You don't get this handle being knocked by the wheel and jamming the jaws before locking on the kingpin. Let us have another reference from here. This is the secondary drive wheel. And your fifth wheel is sitting almost at the front, very front, 1/3 of the wheel. You look from here, from this distance, almost between, most probably even, or maybe backward behind the airbag and the main suspension support. Here it is pushed forward. Look at from here. Here is the end of the secondary drive. This one moved forward on the frame. You can say it is exactly on the supports. If you look from the other one, you can tell the difference. This one ends here at almost the bolt of the vertical support. This truck is 10 years manual transmission, which nobody likes. I drive it because you don't have another driver who likes it.